Think about the last project that you had for work or school that you actually had to understand. You had to research it, you had to put the information in a document, maybe make slides and explain it to somebody else. That process takes a lot of time and a lot of people don't enjoy it. In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that makes the entire process so much easier and so much faster. I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about it, but I am going to show you step by step how it works. The tool is called Skywork, and once you see it in action, you'll realize exactly why it's so important. Let's get into it. Here's the Skywork dashboard. Instead of separate tools, everything lives in one workspace. There's documents, there's slides, there's spreadsheets, there's web pages. It's all connected to the same research. Here's the task that I'm giving it. I'm asking Skywork to research why learning AI right now creates a massive advantage and how early adopters benefit financially and how AI is changing career paths. Not only career paths, but just making millionaires. AI is going to make more millionaires in the next couple of years than the internet ever did in the past 20 years. We're going to choose document and we're going to click run. As soon as this starts, Skywork isn't writing yet. It's searching. It's pulling information from multiple sources and it's organizing the data before it ever generates content. This matters because AI misinformation is everywhere. And if you're going to make decisions about your career or income, you want real information and not guesses. Check out what it's doing. And by the way, a quick note while this is running, if you're interested in actually using AI to make money and not just watching headlines, I run a free newsletter called AI Income Weekly, where I break down tools, workflows, and real opportunities in a step-by-step fashion for normal people to understand. I'll leave the link below. Also, you can scan the QR code on the screen to join today. So it's actually generating the whole report in real time. It's writing the HTML code so we don't have to do it. We don't have to know how to write code or Python. Ooh, check this out. Nice. Guys, it's even including the citations, the sources where it got this information from. I think it's extremely important to add citations in your research papers, whether it's for school or work, because, you can say anything you want, but if there's no evidence behind it, if you can't back up your information with real citations, what's the point? Skywork actually includes real citations from reputable websites where it got this information from. Now it's writing our report in real time. It's generating the whole thing. This isn't hype language. It's structured analysis with sources. This is the kind of document you could submit for work, use for a report, or even build content around. And if you want to tweak the angle, maybe lean more into income or career flexibility, I can edit or regenerate sections instantly. Perfect. Check out what it created us. It created us an entire report with citations. It even added graphs in here for us. Wow. This is super, super awesome. Job demand and growth, more graphs. And again, this isn't AI hallucinating. It actually did its research. It double, it triple, and quadruple checked it, and it's adding real sources and real citations. So again, this could be used for work, for school, literally anything that you want. We're going to download it into a PDF. And let's open the PDF and see what it gave us. Very nice, super professional. This would have taken us multiple hours to create with old technology, but with Skywork, we literally did this in under 5 minutes. Look how beautiful this is. Check out the references, the citations and the sources at the end of the report. This is absolutely perfect. Now let's try the slide section. I'm going to ask it to generate me slides on why people who learn AI are going to be the ones who make the most amount of money in the coming 5 to 10 years. We're going to click on slides, and Skywork actually has Nano Banana Pro, which is the most powerful AI image creator and editor in the world, built right into the platform. So we're going to choose that. We're going to choose slides, and then we're going to check run. As you see, it's generating pages in real time. These are slides that you can use in work, in school, and presentations, and research papers, anything that you want. It's generating these in real time. So you don't have to mess with Canva. You don't have to mess with Photoshop or PowerPoint. It's doing this automatically from a single text prompt. Guys, look at this. It generated all 10 pages. Absolutely fantastic. It kept the same style, the same colors. Look at these graphics. The text is perfect. There's no misspelling. It's absolutely flawless. Going down, it's giving us the information on exactly what we wanted, how people who learn AI will make exponentially more than anyone else who is late to the game or refuses to learn. Look at this. Absolutely perfect, guys. Again, you can use your imagination with this. This can be used for school. This can be used for work. If your boss needs a presentation fast, You can create a presentation in less than 5 minutes from one single text prompt. And if there's something that you don't like about this, you can always add it inside the prompt box here, prompt it, and change the colors, change the graphics, make it retro, make it vintage, make it Art Nouveau, make it modern, whatever you want to do with this, guys. You can change anything you want just by typing a single prompt inside of the box here. Skywork, it's absolutely possible. Once you're done, you can click on the download button and download it. Any of these formats, I usually choose PDF. Just a quick side note, Skywork can actually connect to multiple popular tools like Gmail. It can read your emails if you allow it, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Outlook email. It can connect to Notion, to Slack, programs like GitHub and Superbase, and it can actually talk back and forth to these programs and pull information that's already on this software that you're already using. So this is your one-stop shop for everything productivity related. Before you click this button here, Skywork actually estimates how many tokens you use. That's not possible with programs like Genspark or Manus, but Skywork absolutely lets you see the exact credit usage before you click submit. Did you really think we were done? No, Skywork has so many features: documents, slides, sheets, posters. Let's create a website really quick. I'm going to show you how fast and easy we can create our very own website. No editing HTML, no Python, no JavaScript. It all comes with a single text. Check this out. Make me a modern, sleek website about why AI is the future and how people are already making millions with it. We choose website and we click run. Actually thinking through the process in real time right in front of our eyes. It's pulling sources and citations from YouTube videos, from reputable websites. It's combining everything into one research paper and one website. Guys, check this out. It created us an entire website. It included all the buttons in the header, the footer, animations, you name it, testimonials, everything that we need in a website. Skywork did it in less than 5 minutes. And you can always talk to it like you're talking to your friend here and say, for example, change the color of the website and it'll change it instantly. Perfect. It changed the colors in less than 30 seconds. And again, anything you want to change as far as text or buttons or animations or any links on the website, you can change it in a single text prompt. I've tested a lot of AI tools that claim to help with research. Most of them give you text and leave you to figure out what to do with it. Now, Skywork actually turns research into finished outputs, which includes citations and sources. That's what matters if you're trying to build something, whether it's a project, a presentation, or even a business. Beyond this example, Skywork can also analyze data in spreadsheets, work with your own documents, turn research into podcasts or audio, and automate recurring research tasks. That's why tools like this are super, super valuable. They scale your thinking and not just your typing. Every major shift creates winners and losers. This is what AI is all about, guys. And I talk about this in all my videos. The people who learn how to use AI effectively don't just keep up. They get ahead. Whether your goal is more income or more freedom or eventually leaving your job you don't like. And again, let's be honest, most of us don't like our jobs. It's okay to admit this. It's okay. I hated my job. And that's why I quit and started working with AI. Understanding tools like a Skywork gives you options because the more tools that you understand how to use, you know what? As a matter of fact, let's put it like this. The more tools that you perfect, the more chance you have of making way more money than anybody else who's not using AI. So if you want to try Skywork for yourself, check out the link in the description and the pinned comment. And if you want consistent breakdowns on how AI can actually be used to make money in a simple step-by-step fashion that normal people like you and I can understand, check out my AI income newsletter. It's completely free. To join, scan the QR code on the screen or check out the link in the description as well. I hope you like this video, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, all the good stuff, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.